How to make choices. You have the decision between being a lost vacationer or a conductor of your life. Life offers you numerous decisions, yet numerous individuals are hesitant to settle on a decision. In any case, take care that you don't figure choices turbulently. The following are various pointers that can assist you with choosing the most ideal alternative despite life's intersection. Acquire as much information as possible about your circumstance. You can't find the fearlessness to settle on a choice when you know so minimal about what you are confronted with. Ask these 5 W's. What, who, when, where, and why. What is the circumstance? Who are individuals included? When did this occur? Where is this driving? For what reason would you say you are in this circumstance? This is basic. As a rule, the explanation behind reluctance is the absence of data about a circumstance. This 5 W's helped me a great deal, and you also can utilize them. Identify and make choices. What choices do the conditions present to you? Once in a while, the alternatives are not many, yet from time to time they are many. Nonetheless, what do you do when you accept that the circumstance offers no alternatives? This is the point in time that you produce your own. Make your innovative brain work. From the most fundamental to the most perplexing, consider all of the thoughts. Now and again, the most extraordinary thought may conceivably end up being the specific one at long last. Weigh the upsides and downsides of each alternative. Evaluate all of your alternatives, by taking a look at the favorable circumstances and impediments it offers you. In this way, you get an extra understanding of the outcomes of such an alternative. Trust yourself. Since you have evaluated your alternatives, the time has come to believe in yourself. Remember that there are no certifications. So pick, choose, accept that you are picking the most astounding decision right now as expected. Make good choices today. Share this video.